Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Asana to Outlook. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Asana account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and select a project. For example, this pre-made project right here. All right. Once done, I'm going to go ahead over to the top right and click on Customize. Okay. And here, just click on Apps. Click on it and click on plus add or the plus button. Okay. Click on it, and here on the search bar, just type in Outlook. All right, as you can see here, we have 3 results. Okay. For example, we just wanted to add an Outlook email. All right, or Outlook calendar right here, or even Outlook add-in. I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to click on learn more. And then I'm just going to hit on get it now. Okay. So what's this one? So it turns emails into tasks, add emails to existing tasks. And this one also works with most versions of Outlook that allow add-ins for Office, Outlook Web App, and Office 2016 for Windows and Mac. Now let's just go ahead and click on Get It Now. Down here, we're going to want to log in. Click on Sign In. All right, it says here, taking you to Asana for Outlook to complete this process. Just wait for it. Now you'll have to log in again. Now, as you can see here, we are now being redirected to Outlook. Okay. Just click on No Thanks. And in here, there will be a pop-up that says Asana for Outlook. So just go ahead and click on Add. Wait for it. And it says here, it is now pinned. Okay. You don't want to unpin it. Just close this one. Now, if you want to read through this, just go ahead and do so. Click on Show More. Okay. Now it says here, just create task for action items by clicking Create Task in the Outlook top bar. Then assign the new task to yourself or a teammate. Set a due date, and so on and so forth. For example, I'm going to open up a email right here, or mail, like this one. When we go ahead over to the top right, we have the apps section. Just click on it, and here we have Asana. All right, just click on Asana. Now, as you can see here, it will allow us to create Asana task, or just go ahead and open up the Asana add-in. Click on it, wait for it to load, and here we have Asana. All right, just go ahead and log in, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.